Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you have purchased Roborock Qrevo Edge C vacuum cleaner. So you must having a question in your mind whether you should use the floor cleaner liquid or no, and what type of liquid you should use, and also whether you can use the cleaning vinegar or no. So in this video I will be answering all your question. So first of all, congratulations for buying the Qrevo Edge C robotic vacuum cleaner, and this machine is doing the mopping also. So this is a very common question people are asking whether they can use the vinegar or no. Firstly, I will be answering on that question. So my answer is no, because vinegar is a acid. So there are rubber parts in the machine, so which can be spoiled, it can get loose, and there may be some leakage. So don't use the vinegar. So that is the quick and short answer for your question. So now what type of liquid you can use? So there are a couple of liquid in the market. So one from Roborock is $39 on JB Hi-Fi or Good Guy stores. But you can see the Amazon. I purchased this one pack of 480 liter just for $32.17, whereas only one is for $39 on Good Guys or JB Hi-Fi. So that is quite a huge difference. So this is the liquid you need to use. So I got pack of 3 for $32, so which is very cheap and a good thing. So that is you can go on Amazon and you can do the shopping there and save huge money. Now the question is how you need to use. So I will be showing you this one. So it is this is product is from Omo, which is quite a good company, and if you see on the back, it is shown very clearly how much you should use. So it is 3 ml in a 1 liter of water. So 3 ml. So you just have to, on the top right side there is a bin for clear water. So you need to open that. Firstly, we will be taking out the bin. So that is the container for clear water. So on the right side there is a clip. You just have to pull that and then lift. So this is the clear water. So in this container, maybe just you can use the lid for mirroring and put up that one. So I will be showing you that. So this is the lid, and I use that bottle, the first one, and this one you can put up that. So only that much quantity you need to add, and once it is all done, you just have to press that and you will hear a click sound. So the container is locked now, so you can put it back in the machine. That's it, and that is the quantity you have to use. And any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another video.